Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are well and studying properly at home. Today we are going to learn the chapter 1 of grammar, parts of speech. In this chapter today, we will know about nouns, pronouns, adjectives, prepositions, articles, conjunctions, verbs, adverbs and interjections. Okay, let's start. You have to note something that you have already learnt in previous classes, that words in English grammar are based on parts of speech: the noun, the pronoun, the adjective, the preposition, the articles, the conjunction, the verb, the adverb and the interjection. These all are the parts of speech that are used in English grammar. Okay, and each part of speech explains not what a word is, but how a word is used. Each part explains us not what a word is. It means it doesn't tell about the word only, but it also tell how a word is used. Let's recall quickly with the help of the given chart. As you can see some charts here. The first chart is about noun. What is noun, beta? A noun is the name of a person, place or thing. Noun is a name of person, place or thing. As person, you can see the name of person. What is given here? Ashima, boy, teacher. And name of place is given here: school, home, store. Name of thing is given here: pencil, jacket and dog. These are all name of place, thing and person. So these words, these are always used as noun. These are used as noun. Next is pronouns. What is pronoun, beta? A pronoun is used in place of a noun. So nouns are the name of person, place and thing, and instead of these names we use pronoun. Okay, a pronoun may replace the name of a person, place or thing. This will replace the name of a person, place or thing, like I, she, it, they, you, he, we, me. These are all examples of pronoun. Okay, some of them are personal pronoun or demonstrative pronoun. They are different kind of pronouns, but we are generally using them here. So pronouns are the words that replace the name of a person, place or thing. Clear? Okay, next is coming adjectives. Next is adjectives. An adjective describes a noun or a pronoun. Now we have learned noun and pronoun. And which word explains these both? The adjective explains about noun or a pronoun. An adjective tells us what kind and how many or which one. Okay. This tells us about what kind and how many or which one. These three things we get to know from the adjectives. Like what kind means happy, brave. Which kind of noun we are using? Happy, brave. And how many? This will tell more or less. 1, 2, more, like this, some. Okay. And next is which one. Which one means this, that. Okay. These are all adjectives used in English grammar. Now beta, you can see a pop box here, tidbits. In this it is written, a word can be a noun in one sentence and a verb or an adjective in another. It means a word can be used in many aspects. It will not only be a word like noun or verb. It can be used as adjective also. It can be used as verb also. It can be used as noun also. Okay. Coming to the next page. Yes, next is prepositions. What is preposition, beta? A preposition combines with a noun or pronoun to form a phrase that tells something about another word in the sentence. So prepositions are the words used to describe for what? To describe the to combine with the noun to describe it properly. Okay, like from, to, over, with, until, after. These are all prepositions used. Like I will give you an example. The book is on the table. So what is preposition here? On. Okay. The bridge is over the river. So what is preposition here? Over. I will go with you. So what is the preposition there? With. Okay, beta. Coming to the next one, articles. This is not a part of speech but very important while we are using. What are articles, beta? A group of words consisting of a, an or the is called articles. An article can be used before a noun in a sentence. When we are describing the item is one. The item is one. We use to show that a, an or the. These three letters of words we use to describe the articles. Like the example is given here, beta. See the example of a dog, a rabbit. This is showing how many numbers of dog are there? 1. And how many rabbits are there? 1. And apple, an ant. This is also showing for the 1. Next is the boy, the bird. So we are not having plurals here, we are having singulars here, and articles are used to define singular nouns. Okay. Next one is conjunctions. Conjunctions. What are conjunctions, beta? A conjunction joins together single words or groups of words in a sentence. Conjunctions are the words which join group of words or single words, like Rohan and Mohan. Okay. There are more examples of conjunctions here given: but, also, nor, unless, until, when, since, because, although, or. Beta, we will use these all examples in the further sentences given in exercise. Just we are checking the rules. Okay. Next is verbs. What are verbs, beta? Verbs are action words. Okay. A verb can tell what action someone or something is doing. This will tell us about the actions. A verb can also express a state of being. It will tell us whether the situation or condition is in present, past or future. So we will see the examples. Here we have the example of action, and here we are having the state of being. For example of action, we will use run, sit, think, walk, jump, ask, talk, drink. Like I will give you a sentence. The monkey jumped from the tree. Okay. So who did what? Monkey jumped. From where? From the tree. Okay. Like this also we will use the all actions using verbs. Second, state of being: am, are, were, eat, is, was, go. Like I am speaking. Okay. You are studying. She was going. Like this we check out the state of being, where it is. Next, adverbs. Now we have learnt about verbs. Next is adverb. So what are adverbs? Those words which tells us about or describe about verbs. Okay, that are also adverb, and that tells us about adjective or another adverb. Okay, 3 things are there. An adverb describes a verb is given, and next is adverb, third is another adverb. Those are called adverbs. An adverb tells us how, when, where, or to what degree. Okay. Like first is given how, quickly. Rohan moves quickly. Okay. When, today. Today is Monday. Next example of where. Why are you standing outside? So where is he standing? Outside. To what degree? Barely. Means sometimes. Okay. So adverbs are those words which describes verb, adjective or another adverb. And the last is interjection. What is interjection, beta? An interjection expresses strong feeling or emotion. An interjection can be a single word or a phrase. When we are showing our expressions, our feelings, we use these words to show our expressions and feelings. Like help, oh, ouch, oh, you, ah, wow, look out, oh dear. So when we are talking, we use to explain our feelings and we give our expressions like this. So these words are called as interjection, and these are always followed by the sign of exclamation. At the end of this word, you will check that you are having that sign of exclamation on the ending part everywhere. Here help, you are getting, oh, you are getting. These all words are followed by sign of exclamation. Okay beta, I hope this is clear to you all. Now we will solve the exercises. You try to solve your exercise, and if you have any doubt, you can talk to me. Okay, thank you.